Absolutely charming entire remodel on this lovely family home just blocks from Mackle Park. This is what a renovation should look like. Open floor plan with gorgeous kitchen featuring stainless appliances, breakfast bar, new air conditioning system, new waterproof flooring throughout, new electrical, crown molding, new interior and exterior doors, new high-impact garage door and some windows doors, custom unique bathrooms. This lovely home even has a barn door feature. Huge fenced backyard with custom bar for lots of area to entertain. Don't miss this opportunity to simply move in. Furnishings are negotiable.